I'm Lindsay.
I'm Kelby.
And we are graduate students at the University of Central Florida with the Communication Sciences and Disorders Clinic. These past 6 months, we've been working with the Down Syndrome Foundation of Florida doing the I Can Learn program, which meets about once a month. And we do small group speech therapy in groups between 4 to 5 kids for about 20 minutes. And the ages are between 6 and around 10. And we used Bluebee throughout all of our sessions the past 6 months, and we had the best experience with it.
And how did you use Bluebee in your sessions?
So kids tend to be a little energetic sometimes, so Bluebee was really good at modeling, just like kind of roping them back in and keeping attention. Like we'd be like, guys, like Bluebee's sitting like so nice and quietly, and we would have Bluebee just do the activity that we want them to do, and they would be like, oh, like Bluebee's sitting nice, like I want to sit nice. And it was really good for just attention and like because they just wanted to play with him, so it was really good for that.
And how did you use Bluebee in your sessions?
So I think we used Bluebee a lot, like she said, kind of modeling, and Bluebee would kind of start off the basis and we would build just from Bluebee's responses, which was really awesome for the kids to see how language can be used, including Bluebee as well. And there were often times too where we would have Bluebee say kind of a silly answer and the kids could correct him and self-correct in that
It was
aspect.
good, it was fun.
Great,
Yeah.
well thank you guys
We
so
loved
much.
it. Thank you.
Thank you.